Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 22nd. This is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video. And take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And make sure you watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, the yen pairs have been pretty sideways. I still think, like I've been saying, that there's a good chance this is an A. We are obviously drifting down right now. I think there's a good chance we're in a wave B. So I got my Fibonacci extension right here, projected off of this correction right here. If it is an ABC, then it would probably bounce off one of these three Fibonacci levels and then break structure to the upside. I think there's a better chance that it's going to go down a little bit more, though, probably to take out the low of the potential wave A, maybe even take out this low. So don't get too excited about your longs, but definitely pay attention to these Fibonacci extension levels for a break of structure to the upside at a Fibonacci level. If that does happen, then potentially it would go up to a higher Fibonacci level, which is a Fib level of this whole move down for potentially an ABC correction, or maybe even it turns into a 1, 2, 3. We have to keep in mind that the higher time frame trend is definitely still down. That's why I would assume it's an ABC, but it could turn into a 1, 2, 3. So if you do get a chance to go long, I would definitely take it. And then I would hopefully learn and earn at the same time, whether it's a wave C or whether it's a wave 3. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.